Hey guys, I'm back, and we have a bird in the basement. We literally have a bird in the basement. That's crazy. Did you just hear that? Okay, that's my mom digging through stuff, but seriously, we got a bird in the basement.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, I'm also.
Okay, who got
Oh,
on the floor?
Oh, that's probably a cat, but still, the bird. Holy cow. And yes, I am videotaping this. At least you caught it.
Hear it?
I can't hear it. All I'm hearing right now is cardboard ripping. Oh, there it goes. Okay, now I'm hearing it. Okay, there you go. Yeah. See, guys, I told you, we got a bird in the house.
Oh, good God.
Oh my God. Please get that. Please. Please, 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 please. Heck yeah.
I caught it.
Oh, we got the bird.
I caught it.
Ah, there's a hole in it.
Ah!
There. See, guys, I told you we had a bird. This bird broke out. You put a. Oh my God.
Oh,
Jesus, help! Ah! Okay, catch that sucker.
I know. Look at the cats chasing him out.
No.
No. You really think that's gonna help? Mom, do you think putting it that way is gonna work again? It's gonna come out again. Yeah. Push it in a little more.
If I move, he's like right here.
That claw. Ooh, yeah.
I know. I think I got it this time.
I got this side.
Okay, so
Alright,
you now got the bird.
I got it. Okay, like I'll get him. Just
Got it?
Yeah, just get the door.
Holy cow. This little bird brain got in our house somehow.
Bird brain? Really?
Got it in the bird room if you got the house.
Oh, yeah.
The bird room.
Don't know how in the world we got in it.
Well, let's just let the little guy out and we'll be golden.
Alright,
I got the door closed and
there
everything.
you go. Go on.
There you go.
Oh my God. Bye, little nut job. Stay out of our house.
Okay. Go up in the laundry room to let him out.
Laundry
Oh,
room.
wait a minute. He got it now through the ceiling.
Huh?
Well, okay.
How do you get in? Is the question.
True.
The only way to get in is through the chimney pipe.
Okay.
Which means he was in the laundry room.
And I must have opened it up when I was about to get a garbage bag.
Close it.
I was about to.
Oh, then he got out.
Huh.
You could have done it without you knowing it.
Mom, the dogs are upstairs.
Where's the kitty?
I don't know where the cat went.
You could have given the bird incentive.
Nah, I think that would make it worse. Whatever though, still. That bird. Wow. That was crazy. Alright, dogs, come on out. Oh, jeez. Attack of the plump dogs. Attack of the plump huskies. So that's crazy, though. Why the heck would a bird get inside our house? I guess birds like to explore places. Ah, well. See you guys next time.